Hello buyers, I have some good news and some bad news for you. Right here, right now, it's a seller's market. The good news is I'm going to teach you how to write an effective offer and get the home of your dreams. First and foremost, you need to be well educated on the market. That way you can make a quick, decisive decision and a good one at that. A highly effective way to get your offer accepted that does not cost you anything or very little at all is to find out what the seller's necessities are. Maybe they need a short escrow, maybe they need a long escrow. Get that written into your offer and you will be more appealing. When you write your offer, ask for a very quick response from the seller. The quicker you can get a response, the more likely it is that you will not end up in a multiple offer situation. Another route to go is take a look at homes that have been on the market for a little longer. You know that pretty girl that hasn't been asked to the dance yet? She's often a little more receptive than the pretty girls that are getting a lot of attention. And lastly, and probably most importantly, you need to pick a highly effective agent. If you pick an ineffective agent or one that cannot negotiate well on your behalf, you could end up losing thousands upon thousands of dollars, or even worse, you could lose the home of your dreams. Well, if you don't get that first home, I'm sure your dream home is still out there. Get back up on that horse, get out there, get looking, and get your home. If I can be of any assistance, or if you'd like any additional tips, I'd love to hear from you. You can reach me at the below mentioned number. You can text, email, or give me a call. I look forward to talking to you and happy home hunting.